Hello, sweethearts. Apple. Uh, uh, apple. Again. Uh, uh, apple. Word apple starts with the letter A. A for apple. Apple. Look at A. One is capital A, which is in the uppercase. Another one is small a, it is in lower case. Capital A is said as uppercase letter, small a is said as lower case letter. Let us learn to write the letter. Start at 1, join dots. Up to 2. From there, again, join dots till bottom. Then start at 3. Join dots up to arrow, arrow, arrow. Look at the beautiful A we have written. Now let us start to write lowercase a. Start at 1, join dots as shown in the figure. Then from 2, join dots up to bottom. This is small a. Look at the letter. It is beautiful. Capital A, small a. Start to write the following capital and small a's by joining the dots as shown above. A for a, 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 apple. Say with me. A for a, 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 apple. Again. A for a, 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 apple. A for apple. A for a, a, a. Now pause the video, Start to join the dots in all letters. Best of luck, little stars.